Great, I can't believe I got grounded for making a bull attack Miss Martin. I need to think of a way to stop this.
Don't even think about it, you bald rat. I invented cameras everywhere in this room, so you won't try to get out of this room. If you do, you will.
Really, Dad, do you really have to put these daggone cameras in my room? They are so many.
So what? I can have these cameras in your room however I want. Now listen here, if you ever try to escape you will be in big trouble. And I meant by trouble, Dream Deathland trouble. Got it?
Oh my God, yes, jeez. I can't do a single thing in here because my stupid dad put these cameras in my room. Except I can set up a tornado in this house to teach my stupid dad a lesson. But first I need to take out these bird camera watchers. Now, it's time for action. Step 1, you'll have to take a trail to somewhere else. Step 2, you have to find a dangerous windmill. Step 3, spin it extremely fast until it forms into a tornado. Let's do it. There it is, time to spin to set up the tornado. Yes, it worked. Let the party veggie. Oh frick, it's working too well. I gotta get out of here.
What's going on?
It appears to be a tornado warning heading our way.
Oh no, we're going to die.
Oh no, it's a tornado. Run.
Run! There's a tornado heading our way.
Oh shoot.
Hello people, this is the news guy. There appears to be a huge tornado destroying the living organic things like cars, buildings, trees, people, animals, and many more. This description says that this tornado is the biggest of all the tornadoes in the past.
Pay attention, you fools.
Oh no, the tornado caught up. I need to find a car to get away from it. Hey, get out of the car now.
Hey, give me back my car now.
Oh no, the tornado is coming. I gotta get in the basement. Who's responsible for this? No, my house, my beautiful house.
Phew, that was so close.
Wait a minute, are you responsible for this?
I didn't do anything.
Nonsense, I heard you said that was close. Tell me what happened right now or I will punish you for good.
Fine, I just left the house and bust out the cameras to escape, and ride on a train to find the windmill, and then I spin the windmill extremely fast to form a tornado and then it destroy the whole city. All of the buildings are destroyed and other people, except for me because I escape when the clouds are rotating. And also I steal a woman's car so I can drive away. Oh, and also, my revenge was success. And that's what you get for grounded all the time. Daddy, are you okay? Hey. Hello, are you frozen or something? Come on, Dad. Are you okay?
Am I okay? Am I okay? Does it look like I'm okay, stupid? No, I'm extremely furious of you. I cannot believe that you caused a tornado to kill hundreds of people. That's exactly that worst thing you did than making a bull attack Miss Martian. That is, Sue, it. You are more than grounded for 48,392,728,103,834 years. Now we have to live in a hotel thanks to your crazy insane idea of yours. You're such a dipstick. Now prepare to get eaten by a giant croc.
It looks so scary down here.